Okay, as you can see, we've got our map directional layout and our destination diagram here on the table. And most of these grid lines on the map here, grid lines north, south, east, west, are represented real well, but as north, south, east, and west are usually laid out north, south, east, and west. So that being said, you can use those along with your compass to orient the map. Now, get that laid out right there nice and even next to the grid line. Now, just as a definition, orienting a map means to lay the map out in the direction as it would be on the land that the map is representing. In this case, the Davis Mountain area, the Berea Mountains of West Texas. So, in order to orient the map to north or true north, magnetic or true north, you're going to need your declination diagram and your grid lines and a compass. So what we're going to do, you'll see on here that the map, the compass is already settled down and is pointing to north right now, but it's not setting on where the map is pointing. The map compass is pointing north this way and the compass is pointing north that way. So in order for it to get as it would be if you were actually standing on the land, you're going to need to point the map to north. So what you do, if you watch the compass there, I'm going to move the map and see if we can do this, make this work. Make sure your compass stays lined up perfectly. And if you notice, the compass is moved. Alright, right there. So we want to line this map up. Now you'll see right now it's in a northerly direction. And the map is pointing to true north. What we want to do is line it up to magnetic north. So what we want to do here is set our compass over here. This little mark right here moves, and what we want to do is set our compass to what would be in this case 8 degrees. If you'll see right here, I don't know how well you can see this, but this says 8 degrees in this particular case, east. So what we need to do is set our compass to 8 degrees and then move our map until this compass lines up with that arrow, and it will be pointing to magnetic north. So that being said, we will move the map until it lines up. Now you'll notice it is slightly off from the pointer line here. The black line doesn't move, the yellow line does. So now at this time the map is lined up to magnetic north. Now if I were to take this compass and put it over here on this declination diagram on the magnetic north side, it should line up very easily back to the black line on the compass. So let's find out. see if we can orient our map to what would be magnetic north, like so. So now the map is lined up to magnetic north. So, which in this case usually is where you want your map. So, what we have here is an oriented map. It is oriented in the direction of how it would actually lay out on the ground at the actual place that this map represents. So that's how we orient a map to the compass. So we'll go more from here. Stand by for more.